Okay, so I fell for the ads and I bought this little lighter. That's right, I actually bought this product to review. It's one of those flame lighters that shoots a flame out about this far, and they show it doing things like melting cans, and I was like, there's just no way that this little lighter gets that hot. So I ordered it. We have a can. We're gonna try it out. I'm gonna show you how to use this thing and how good it actually is. Nothing to it but to do it. Let's test it out. Okay, so here's the little lighter itself. You have a switch on this side so you can lower the flame or increase the flame. You have a lock on this side so you can actually lock the trigger, which is right here, to keep it from being pressed. The one I have actually has this gray looking wood grain on it, and it has the black chrome button. You do refill it right here with just standard butane. What we're going to do is we're going to test it on this can, but then I'm going to also take it inside and turn the lights out and turn it on so you can see how tall the flame actually is. It's going to be hard to see during the daytime. So let's see if we can do some damage to this can. And you can see that we're already basically burning a hole in the can, and that took all of no seconds whatsoever. That it's all burnt up. Let's see if we can go through the thicker aluminum on the top. Yeah, not much of a challenge for this thing. Gets very, very hot, so this is going to be great for things like getting charcoal started, starting fires. Add it to your survival kit. It's just a really well made little torch, and it does a great job. Let's go inside so I can show you a little bit more about it. Okay, so we're back inside now. I've turned all the lights out just so you can see the flame on this lighter. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. And look how impressive that is. Now you can adjust that all the way down to just a tiny little flame. So it's great in the fact that you can make it as hot or as cool as you need it. So it's going to be great for like heat shrink tubing. You can solder with it. You can even use this for if you were like soldering copper pipe and stuff like that if you were a plumber. So very, very cool. So it gets super hot, looks nice, does a great job, and it lives to all the hype that you've seen in the ads. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.